I did it my way.
Yep. So today is Fender Welting Day. I bought this stuff from a place called Steel Rubber Products. Got it off of eBay. 3/16 inch bead, and the actual flange itself is like 1.25 inch, 1.5 inches. Let's see. Yeah, 1.5 inches. Yep. And I know it's a little long for what these MGs call for. Okay, so I've seen, what is it, 1/2 inch plus 3/8 inch or something like that. Moss offers something in that size. Scarborough Fair offers something different. People bitch about how the Fender Welting pops out after they install it. So I've elected to go a little longer on that on the flange. That I couldn't find the stuff I wanted in something smaller in width. So I'm gonna pause real quick. So I'm gonna start my day, my efforts, with a thread restorer kit, and specifically the 5/16. Here's what it looks like. I've already done one, and I got a lot of junk out of it. I was kind of surprised. So put this on here and do one, just so. Let's see, which one do I want to do? Third one. Just because I thought it was interesting how much junk comes out of my threads. So I have. Come on now, stupid thing. There. I have painted the car, and I made no attempt at guarding any of the threads or making sure the bolts were still in there so the threads didn't get painted up. I didn't really care. So, put it in with some slight pressure. And this one doesn't want to go very easily. There it goes. And just felt it. And you screw it in. This one isn't so bad. You can see some of the junk in there. I'll do it one more time. What I did as a test, got a lot of junk out of there, mainly rust. Some of my thread bolts, captive nuts, on my frame, I did this too, and I made one hell of a mess because of lots and lots of rust. So I ended up cutting off most of my my captive nuts on the frame, and just using aftermarket stuff I've got with my kit of bolts and things. So let's try this one. It goes in there nice and easy. No, kind of. And there we go. Okay, I just felt it. And oops. And for a guy like me, I work alone. I don't work with a girlfriend or a wife or a life partner or anything else like that. Anything I can do to make it easier on myself, heck yeah. And that comes down to even making bolts go in easily. Yeah, look at all that junk that came out of there. Yep, nice. Okay, and like captive bolts, sometimes nuts need to be Okay, so here's what I've got. My method has been to cut relief cuts all throughout, about every, 2 inches or so. And then using my blowtorch and a screwdriver, I heat that thing up. I poke a hole. You can kind of see one example here. I poke a hole in there so I can get this thing more or less set the way that I want it to be. Okay, so I actually have to do a little bit of research on how far this part goes, because I've frankly forgotten. And I think I'll cut a couple more reliefs in some of these longer pieces. And then here's how it's going to look. Of course there's gaps, but those will get filled in when I put the fender on. And there's the oldest plug in the world. And yeah, so the fender goes on next time. This was a lot easier than I thought. After I'm done, I'll take this entire thing off and cut notches so that all I gotta do is just slip it back in. Nice and easy. And here's my fender. I just put down a bunch of spray-on undercoating. I know that some people prefer the painted or the native color look to this. I'm looking for longevity and durability over time, and I don't want this thing to rust out from me, so that's me fiddling with it. I did that, yeah. And so in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, let's see how this is. God, this will be a while before it dries. Yeah, I could still do it. Just gotta be careful. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep. Okay, this side is done, and actually not sure if I like it. This beading is a lot bigger than what is natural to an MGA, right? So I've got one bolt to put in, and that's through here. That's easy. Yep, our shoe blows right there, and the rest is, as they say, just the rest. So I suspect I've got some adjustment to do on this thing, because look at, it goes down there. Yeah, we'll see. Yep, we will. So I think I'll be done with, I'm gonna get up early and finish off the other fender, so I'll have that finished, right? I need to finish off the carpet on this side so I can pop the hole for the pull cable and close off the trunk. And to do that, I need some edging material that I've ordered. It hasn't come in yet, so hopefully next week sometime soon and early. And there we go. I'm babysitting the alien overlord again. Yeah, world's oldest pug.